Hey, welcome back to part two of our series on BaZi, Unlocking Your Potential and Conquer Life's Challenges. I'm Jack, and today we are moving from understanding your chart to using BaZi insight for navigating life's obstacles and creating a purposeful future, shall we? So, do you ever feel overwhelmed by life challenges and wish you had a roadmap to navigate them? Are you interested in learning how to identify unfavorable periods and make decisions that minimize the impact? And would you like to know how to seize opportunities by aligning with your natural energies for a more fulfilling life? So stay with me until the end, and you'll gain practical strategies for overcoming obstacles and living a purposeful life. Okay? So remember to like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it, and share this video with anyone eager to conquer their challenges. And on that note, thank you very much. So let's dive into the second part of our journey using BaZi to navigate the inevitable challenges of life and capitalize on opportunities. Well, BaZi isn't just about discovering your strengths. It also helps you anticipate tough periods and prepare for them. So by examining the cyclical nature of the elements in your chart, you can forecast potential challenges. So for instance, if your chart indicates a period where your favorable elements may temporarily overshadow your strengths, you can make informed decisions like delaying major financial investments or focus on self-reflection until the energy shifts. Imagine a business owner whose budget forecast suggests a challenging quarter marked by overwhelming earth energy that denotes issues like stagnation or overcautious decision making. So by anticipating this period, the business owner decided to invest time in strategic planning and risk assessment. And as a result, they not only navigated the challenge smoothly but also identify a new market opportunity when the balance shifted once again. So here's some practical strategies you can consider. Number one, keep a BaZi calendar. So note the periods where your chart hints as obstacle and plan proactive measures like extra safety checks or stress relief activities. And two, develop a flexible mindset. Use insights from BaZi to remain adaptable. When one path seems blocked, a favorable element shift can reveal alternative routes to success. Okay, so beyond overcoming challenges, BaZi also empowers you to lead a more fulfilling and intentional life. And recognizing that every element in your BaZi chart, whether favorable or challenging, is a guiding force to help you realize your destiny. So use these insights to set clear, purposeful goals in your career, your relationship, and personal growth. For example, if your chart highlights strong fire energy, use that passion to drive community projects or personal creative ventures. So let's consider someone who decides to align their career with the chart insights and ultimately finds higher fulfillment by transforming into a role that resonates with their natural talents. And they might use the BaZi chart as a guide for joining networks, choosing the right mentors, and even timing major life decisions. And this conscious decision making leads to a more balanced, happy, and accomplished life. So I do encourage you to explore your BaZi further, connect with reputable practitioners, take an online BaZi assessment, or join local workshops if you want. The journey to purposeful life starts with understanding who you truly are. So let me ask you a question now. What challenge in your life would most benefit from a proactive, BaZi-informed approach? Do share your thoughts and plans in the comments below, because I would love to reading and support you. Okay, so to summarize in this part, we have explored how to use BaZi to navigate challenges, identify unfavorable periods, and seize opportunities to create favorable future. More importantly, we discuss how BaZi empowers you to live a purposeful life and fulfilling life by aligning your actions with natural strengths and privileges. So remember this: every challenge presents an opportunity to learn and grow, isn't it? I encourage you to start your BaZi journey today, unlock your potential, conquer life's hurdle, and live with intention. So once again, you find that these insights valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it, and share these videos with everyone who's ready to transform their life. So once again, I'm Jack. I'm truly believe that with BaZi as your guide, nothing can stand in the way of your success, isn't it? Alright, so thanks for watching, and let's continue this BaZi journey together. See you in my next video. Bye for now.